KaNicki. You gonna say your new word? Good explosion. KaNicki. Oh my goodness. And Adam's family singing in the rain? Now all I have to do is hear Rasberry. Ooh. I'll get your toe. Will you say raspberry? Good boy. Will you give me a raspberry? Oh, camera's going out of focus. Give me raspberry. That is something new. KaNicki, do you know, out of your hundreds of videos on YouTube, you are a rip. In each of them, you say something new. I've caught almost everything new on camera. Isn't that something? Oh, you... What are you saying bye-bye for? It's not bye-bye. Oh, pretty. Okay. Say raspberry. Good boy. Let's see. What else can we get you to do? All right, love. Can I get you to do your train? Choka choka. Choka choka choka. Yeah. Good explosion. My goodness. That was a double. Yeah. What do you think, KaNicki? Hello. Good train. Do you know what I think I did? Mommy set up coffee for work. And I think I turned it on instead of auto. Because I can smell coffee. Wasn't that silly? Yes. Now get your butt. I'll get your toe. We'll do the whole thing. Do the raspberry. Yes. Good boy. KaNicki. Do the whole thing if you're going to do Adam's family. Go. Oh. Ew! What was that? That didn't even go in it. You're such a clown. No, my. Raspberry? You know what, Connect? We're going to have to take you outside again. Yes. Put your suit on. Get you to go in the grass. Yeah. Do you want to go walking in the grass? Why are you chirping so loud? Oh my goodness. That's a lot of raspberries. That's another good explosion. Wow. 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 kaNicki. Are you stuck on that now? Good explosion. Yeah. Where are you going? Oh, pretty wings. Pretty wings. For some reason, this keeps going out of focus. I think I'm too far away, huh? Oh, pretty foot. You gonna sing? Are you gonna dance? Oh, nice spinning. Raspberry? Do you want a treat? Well, that's something new. I haven't heard that one before. Oh my. Andy Griffith whistle, huh? Oh, Sarah's upstairs. How about a kitty? I love you. kaNicki. kaNicki. Can you tell me how a kitty goes? Oh. That was one of the first things you learned. Was how a kitty goes. That's your train. Now when I ask you, you ignore me sometimes. No? Good explosion. Wow. Wow. Woof. Are you getting ready? Are you getting ready for July 4th? Hey, kaNicki. You did that good. You just... You just picked up where I left off. What a silly boy. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, don't do Mommy's alarm. kaNicki. kaNicki. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Well, that's great, kaNicki. You said raspberry, which is new. Ugh. And you said, I want a treat, which is new. Great video. And tons of explosions. Great job. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Till next time. No bye-bye?